को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति जो है चेयर को प्रदान करें।
धन्यवाद। Motion moved. There are two amendments by Sri Vaiko and Sri Trichu Siva for reference of the Dam Safety Bill 2019 as passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Members may move their amendments at this stage without any speech. Sri Vaiko, are you moving your amendment? Sri Vaiko, not present. Sri Honorable Trichu Sivaji, are you moving your amendment? Please, please,
John.
please, please.
One moment.
Mr. Alamari Karim's name was not there.
Are you moving? Trichu Sivaji moving?
Sir, I'm moving, sir, with, just a second. Sir, basically India is a union of states. India is basically a union of states. And the unique feature of our democracy and constitution is that it works on federalism. The states have its own rights, sir. Sir, entry 17 of the states list provides for the states to make laws with regard to water supply, drainage, embankment, water and this, what do you call that, water power supply with entry 56 also, sir. Drainage and embankment. According to entry storage also. According to entry 56, the union list, the parliament can make laws on the regulation of interstate rivers and valleys. However, it is not in the power to regulate intrastate waters, rivers and valleys. Moreover, sir, recent days, most of the bills that have been brought are transgressing into the rights of the states. For example, this bill provides for the constitution of a National Committee for Dam Safety as well as a national authority. Sir, the control of the National Committee on Dam Safety and the National Dam Safety Authority comes under the central government, and also appointing the state's representatives and specialists also come under the state government. Sir, when already it comes under the state list and with the state's rights, this bill takes away the rights of the states. So, sir, in the path of many other bills that have been passed in which we have made our reservation, this is also another bill, sir. On any account, federalism cannot be crippled, states' powers cannot be encroached or transgressed. So, sir, I urge that this bill have to be referred to a select committee.
Are you moving? Are you moving?
Yes, I am moving the motion.
The motion for consideration of the bill and the amendments are moved there too, are now open for discussion.